Hi guys, we are at Milkshake and welcome to our channel. Here is my boy, Namo is my son. We are going to try this one guys, and this is our first time to try it since this is a newly opened business in the area where we stayed at. Actually, this is just across the road of our school, and this shop is all in pink. And I like also um, the design of their shop because you cannot see a person working on your food. What you can see is just a display of all the menus they have, the flavors of the tea the tea that they have, and also guys, they only have a very small window for the cashier to get your order and received your payment, and that's it. Super unique. I haven't seen like this before yet. Okay, so I made a mistake that this is tea and it has no tea at all guys. That's why I let Adam drink it as well. It is all milk and other stuff. The one we ordered was a sweet potato, a purple sweet potato, and yeah, it's very creamy and not too sweet, not too bland. It's perfect for me, and it has let's see Adam trying it out. Well, he cannot sip on a very big straw, so we need to have a smaller straw for him. Yes, I think Nama also likes it. So here is Adam trying it out. Okay. He's just playing around.
like it?
I think he likes it too. And that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for joining us, and God bless everyone. Don't forget to pray for each other. Bye.